Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer Water Sign. This is November mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer Water Sign. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. So under the deck, Ace of Swords, the Hangman, Five of Cups and Two of Wands. I think Cancer, you're thinking about someone or something a lot. Maybe you have options here. You have to make some choice. You're feeling sad for someone or for something here. Um, you are in a very sad situation. Emotional attachment here, maybe. And the Hangman, you're stuck. You're feeling stuck. And there is clarity and communication, or you want to cut off someone from your life. Maybe you want clarity from someone. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Seven of Swords, Chariot and Knight of Wands. I think your person always in and out of your life, and your relationship is in very slow moving energy. Maybe they leaving you without saying anything. They ghosted you without saying anything because Seven of Swords. Because Knight's always in and out of your life. There will be no constant uh, communication or stability in the relationship. Then present the Emperor, Six of Cups and Four of Swords. But you love this person very honestly, because Six of Cups, you always thinking about them a lot. But now you finally decided to heal from this pain for what they did to you. So Four of Swords, you just cut off all the communication. You just taking care of yourself. You're doing meditation, or you're healing, or you are healing here. At the same time, you now on your power. Yeah, the in present you are in the Emperor energy. Then future, Knight of Cups, the Sun and Judgment. Here someone is coming back with an apology, and for some a brand new person is entering in your life. But right now you are enjoying yourself, you are enjoying your own company, you are searching for happiness within yourself, and Judgment is here. So there is some decision making, Judgment. Maybe you are going through some legal issues right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Cancer, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So Seven of Wands and Page of Cups under the deck. They know there are some obstacles in this relationship. Now they are mentally prepared for these obstacles, and they want to overcome these obstacles. If they did hurt you, they want to say apology to you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Seven of Cups, Six of Swords. Let's see their intentions also. Yeah, lots of your no contest situation. It is a clear message. And under the deck, the Star, Two of Wands and Queen of Pentacles and Strength. And your person right now working on their inner strength. Maybe you're dealing with Leo here. Definitely they want stability in this relationship and they want marriage with you, but again they have to make some choice here. Maybe your person have options, and lots of you are in long distance relationship. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. They're hoping for this connection. So let's see their current feelings. Seven of Cups, Six of Swords and Three of Pentacles. They really want to fix things with you, but definitely your person have options here. But finally they are going to be choose you, but they are not expressing their feelings. It is the problem here, because their intentions, Ace of Swords, Four of Pentacles and Four of Swords. They want to give clarity to you, and they want to communicate with you, but right now they're holding back because they want to heal from the situation. They want to heal from the past hurts, because Four of Swords. But they're going to be communicate with you because Ace of Swords is here, but some time. They will take some time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. King of Wands and Nine of Wands and Page of Pentacles. I want one more card here. The High Priestess. Maybe they are hiding something from you. That's why they're taking their time here. Maybe right now they guarded up because circumstances are not under your person control. Maybe family could be the issue here. But finally they're going to be communicate with you. Eight of Pentacles. Definitely they really want to work on this relationship, but it is a time delay. They will come surely but slowly. Maybe they have other responsibilities in their life. Cancer. Maybe you are dealing with Leo. You are now emotionally very strong person, and lot of spying is going. Maybe you also watching them on social media. For some, you still want this person back into your life. Nine of Cups is here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Definitely there is some competition or drama is going. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. Clarity is coming and this love is mutual between you and your person. Yeah, they're coming to work on this relationship, but at the same time there is some drama is still going between you and your person. Trust issues. But clarity is coming, communication is coming. Then you both have to decide what to do, what not to do. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Cancer. You are the only one for me. Second chance and I can't let you go. You are the only one for me. Second chance and I can't let you go are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Your commitment is being tested first quarter, Moon. Emotions are running high, Super Moon, and be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. So for some, those who emotions are running high, this is the message for you. Just do meditation. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.